what's up, Neompack? It's great to see you guys again. I'll be probably uploading from today's my day, and then I'll leave it one day, and then upload a next video, hopefully. And I'll do that just repetitively, because I want you guys to see me do that, I guess. I've written a new song, sneak peek of who it's for. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's start. You helped me up in the darkest time, sitting alone and afraid. I had friends, but that wasn't enough. I needed something more. I used to say you were stuck in my brain, and now I know it's 'cause baby, I love you, baby, I need you, baby, you make me smile and laugh at all your words. And now, baby, I'm stuck in all this hurt and fear. You brought me out and helped me here. You brought me here. You brought me happiness in the saddest times. Saddest time. You make me smile when I looked at you. Oh, I'm not nervous around you.